How are you? Hope you all will be in fine condition. Today also in writing section we are going to learn about advertisements. Students, as you know, advertisements are a medium of reaching to consumers for one's products. कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचने के लिए हम उनका यूज़ करते हैं. In this competitive world, it is important to advertise to get maximum benefits. There are two types of advertisements. One, we can say classified advertisements, and another that is display advertisements. Basically, you can create advertisement to be given in newspapers, magazines, TV, multimedias, or the cinemas. So, let's see the main features of advertisements. Some main features or the points to remember when we are going to write an advertisement, that is, let it be precise, concise and clear. वो छोटी होनी चाहिए, बहुत बड़ी नहीं, और हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं रिगार्डिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट वो एकदम क्लियर होनी चाहिए. यूज सिंपल एंड इफेक्टिव लैंग्वेज. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. लैंग्वेज ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो सब लोग उसको समझ सके और वो असरदार इफेक्टिव होनी चाहिए. इट शुड प्रोजेक्ट द रिक्वायर्ड कंटेंट. जो कंटेंट और जो भी चीज़ हम उनको बताना चाहते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें उसमें आ जानी चाहिए. यूज अ प्रॉपर स्टाइल विथ कैची फ्रेजेस. उसमें लंबे लंबे सेंटेंस लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट सम कैची फ्रेजेस, आई कैची और ईयर कैची फ्रेजेस, तो वो लोगों को एकदम से याद रह जाए, ऐसी होनी चाहिए. एंड इन अ क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट you have to use a formal language, and in display advertisement it is informative yet very creative. So these are the main features. In short, we can say advertisement must be clear, precise, effective and with catchy phrases. Now let's see some of the sample advertisements. Today we are going to learn some formal, that is classified advertisement. See the very first advertisement. You are the principal of St. Francis High School, Dahod. Draft an advertisement for a daily, that is daily newspaper, under the column Situation Vacant, inviting applications for the post of librarian in your school. Now let's see the answer. You have to start with situation vacant, क्योंकि वो classified column में हमको देनी है. Wanted a librarian. No full sentence. That in day school we want librarian. ऐसा कुछ बड़ा बड़ा sentence नहीं लिखना है. Wanted a librarian. Qualification Bachelor of Library with at least 2 years experience and a wide interest in books. उसको बुक्स में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. सैलरी विल बी गिवन एज पर गवर्नमेंट रूल्स. अप्लाई विद इन 1 week with detailed biodata to the principal, St. Francis High School, Dahod. So within a very few words, or we can say very few lines, they have given all the information regarding their requirement. उनको क्या चाहिए, जो आदमी चाहिए उसमें क्या क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए, क्या एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, सैलरी वो लोग कितनी देंगे, कब अप्लाई करना है, किसको अप्लाई करना है, all these details but in a very precise way. So this is one of the important feature of writing an advertisement. Now look towards the another advertisement. Yes, see the second one. You propose to sell your apartment as you are going abroad. Draft an advertisement to be published in the Times of India, Ahmedabad, under the classified columns. This is also very precise manner you have to give the details of your apartment. So the heading we are going to give for sale. Apartment for immediate sale in Navrangpura. 3 bedrooms with attached bathrooms. Drawing cum dining. Ground floor. Durable woodwork. Marble floors. Owner going abroad next month. Contact. Telephone number is given. Time is given between 6 to 9 p.m. and every day. Any day you can call in between 6 to 9. So students, see here. With a few lines or a few words, the address is given that it is in Navrangpura, the house having 3 bedrooms and drawing room, dining room, some woodwork done, marble flooring. So the house is in a nice condition. They have not given any words regarding the condition of the house, but from these details we can understand regarding all these things. And they have also given that owner is going to abroad next month, माने उसको जल्दी है house बेचने की. So all these features we are going to combine within few sentence or few phrases. So this is one of the most characteristics of advertisement. Students, I hope that you have revised how to write an advertisement, because in 11th standard also we have already learned how to write an advertisement. Now 2 more advertisements are there that you have to write. See that advertisements. You are the principal of Navjivan School, Mandvi. Draft an advertisement for a daily under the column Situation Vacant, inviting applications for the post of an account teacher in your school. And the second one, you want to sell your old Maruti car. Draft an advertisement for insertion of the local advertisement column of a daily with all the details of the car. So these two you have to write according to the given example. And tomorrow you have to send me the pics of all the 4 advertisement, which 2 are given as a sample advertisement and 2 you have to write. Thank you. Have a nice day.